welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me in my YouTube adventures. Hello, my sweet peeps. Hi guys. Hi everybody. How's it going? Happy Monday. Happy Monday, everybody. Okay. So, did you like Friday's video? Wasn't that fun? Was that not the funnest video ever? I mean, when me and Liz were talking about how to do a collab, we honestly thought we wanted to do something completely different that we've ever seen anybody else do on YouTube. So that's what we did. And I hope you guys enjoyed it because we had so much fun making that video. It was so much fun to make. Anyways, it is Monday, so let's start off our Monday amazing. And for all the new people, welcome. And hold on, you wait till you hear this. Monday is the greatest day of the week. Yes, on my channel, every Monday we do this little thing. We give each other some motivation, and we call it declare in his name. On Monday. So we declare what we want to come into our life, all the good stuff, all the positivity and, things that we're praying on, or all the good stuff that we want to come into our life. And we take all that negativity and we throw it out the door, especially negative self-talk. Isn't negative self-talk like the most toxic thing we could do? And excuse the hair today, because it's heck of a hot. I know it's fall everywhere else, not here in Southern Florida. Here in Southern Florida, it is summer number 2. That's what we call it. But we decorate for fall. We decorate for fall on this channel. Okay, so guys, let's declare what we want to come into our lives and kick all that negativity out the door, and let's have an amazing week ahead. That's what we're gonna do this week. Okay. So, I know my oldies but true subbies know that something is really different right behind me. Oh, yes, ma'am. Okay. Do you remember my little hutch that I got? Okay. When we moved, let me give you a backstory to all the people that are new here. And I'm going to move the camera back a bit so you can see it better. When we first moved into this house, I wanted a little hutch here in my kitchen. We're in my kitchen eating area. And it's a pretty decent space, actually. I have a coffee bar over there and a big pantry. And then I have a big, giant, my fiddle leaf tree here that is thriving and doing so well. And then I have another piece of furniture, and I have a round table with 4 chairs and this little hutch. Now, I bought this hutch off of Facebook Marketplace, and I think I paid $50 for it. It really was super cheap. And it had a middle door that was inoperable, so it didn't open or close. And then it had 2 small doors on either side that opened. And it has a little light inside also. And it's solid oak. And I painted it. I painted the whole thing, and I painted it this like baby blue chalk color. Well, then I decided I didn't like it, and I'll tell you why I didn't like it. I didn't like it because I knew I was gonna do fall decor and Christmas decor. And I thought to myself, Bella, nothing is gonna match with that baby blue. You gotta switch it out. So I did. So I got the Rust-Oleum in charcoal color, okay? And then I used this on top. It's a decorative wax, this one here, the bear, and it's in the color dark antique. So that's what I used, and this is the brush I used to paint it. I have a few clips to show you how it used to look before and how I painted it. Now, I did not remove everything, and as you can tell, this is not decorated at all, not to my standards. I had such a hard time. So now that it's painted, I'm going to decorate it. But we're not going to do that today because, honestly, I have a million things to do. And this video is going to be really short. And after the clips, I'm going to show you the clips. And I want to show you something up here because I know a lot of people love to get Facebook Marketplace stuff and DIY it like I do. So I want to show you a little trick that I did. And then I want to sit down and have a little talk because I want to do a live tomorrow night. Okay, let me roll the clips and I'll be right back. Okay, my sweet friends, let me show you the hutch before. So it was baby blue, as you can see here, and I've already started painting it. And I'm gonna do this charcoal gray finish. Okay, I'm gonna give you some tips and tricks. I like using this chalk paintbrush. You can get these at Michael's or Hobby Lobby. You can also get them at Lowe's and Home Depot. They're the kind of round ones. I like the Martha Stewart one. I'm going to tell you the truth. That is my favorite one. And that one you can get at Home Depot. You could also probably find it on Amazon if anybody's interested in that. And I should make an Amazon page in my Amazon shop so you guys can see the stuff that I use when I DIY. But it leaves a really, really, really smooth finish, and that's why I like it. And I only did one coat of the charcoal, guys, because it really did cover up all the baby blue, so I didn't have to work too hard at it. So I realize when I'm doing this, I do have a very steady hand, guys, and I'm going to show you a trick in a minute that I do. But you can tape off the areas that you don't want paint to get on if you're nervous about this. But I'm telling you, don't be nervous in painting any of your furniture or any Facebook Market find places things because they're really easy to do. Okay, watch here what I'm doing. I took a tiny, tiny paintbrush, and of course my head is in the way, and I'm painting around the wood part because I don't want to change that wood part. I think it adds character to the piece. And this actually, the wood is part of what the old door was. So that's what I did. I'll find the video and link it down below, originally how I changed the hutch out. And here, this is what I meant by taping off an area you don't want to get paint on. I have this little tiny paintbrush, and I have a very, very steady hand. And I am just marking the line of black where I don't want it to go into the white. So I'm like, with a steady hand, you can do this. It's really easy. I mean, don't be afraid. But if you are, just tape it off. Guys, most of all, when you're doing stuff like this, just have fun. Just have fun and be creative. Put really good music on and have fun. That's all I can recommend, really. Okay, I brought you in really, really close, and I hope you can see this. On this side right here is the wax finish, and on this side right here is not the wax finish. And it's kind of really chalky. But this is really, really smooth to the touch, and I hope you can see it. Like, you can see a little bit of the color variation there. Sorry, my camera's not focusing very well. There we go. So that's what I did, and here's the look of it. Like, it looks so good. I'm really, really happy with it, but it needs I need to finish the wax part on it. You can see there. You can really see the difference. See the doors? The doors don't have the wax on it, but the molding there has the wax on it. So That's the difference. And then this little column here, it's getting wax. And like it has the wax. So you can see the little bit of a difference. Okay, my sweet friends, I am really, really, really stumped on how to decorate this. And here's another thing that I was thinking about, and I might go get it today. I don't know. I'm really, really, really debating it. I want to put chicken wire. Let me take this. Away. I want to put chicken wire back here on the back of the cabinet of the hutch, because I think it'll give it that modern farmhouse look. And I know a lot of people are going into a modern farmhouse, and the ultra white is kind of outdated now, and a lot of people are gravitating towards black and stuff. And really, in the room, when you see it, because I am going to do a home tour. I'm going to do a home tour and show you the entire house and every room in the house, how I've decorated it, and like one space to another and how it flows. But last night and this morning, when I woke up and I saw it, the black, it really grounds the space. Like the blue is kind of just, I mean, it would have been good had I done French country everywhere, but I think I'm going to lean towards a little bit more modern, elegant farmhouse. That's what I think my look is starting to evolve into, something like that. So that's why I changed it out. And it's going to be Christmas soon. And I thought that baby blue is really going to like stick out like a big sore thumb with my Christmas decor. And at least this, with lots of reds and greens and stuff, is going to look fantastic. So sometimes you live and learn. You live and learn. I made a mistake, and that's okay. That's okay. It's only paint, and just paint over it. So if you have a piece like this, I hope it gives you some motivation not to be scared. Just go and repaint it if you thought maybe, I don't really like it that much, or your style is evolving. Also, I'm thinking of getting curtains and a carpet for this table, for the kitchen table. A big round jute carpet. I think that will tie in modern farmhouse. I think it'll look really, really nice. Anyways, so that's my dilemma today. That's what I'm up to. And I got Christmas on the brain. I have Christmas on the brain so much. So much. So that's what I wanted to share with you. Okay. Now, I know you guys love when we do lives. What if you leave me a comment down below? I'm thinking tomorrow I would love to do a live. And I'm thinking around maybe 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Or would you like it later than that? Or would you like it earlier than that? So leave me a comment down below, and then I'll read the comments and we'll try and figure out the time. And I will post on the community page tomorrow morning what time we're going to do the live. So then you all know. Okay. So that is it. That is it for today. I hope you have an amazing, amazing week ahead. If you're new here and heard me ramble and just, catch up with day-to-day stuff, don't worry. On Wednesday, we're going to fully decorate this, and I want to show you that side too, because it's so cute. It's so cute. It turned out really, really cute. And you'll never believe what that is over there. But you wait till Wednesday. Come back on Wednesday and we'll do that. But tomorrow, let's do the live so we can talk about our upcoming projects, stuff, and events that is going to be happening. Oh, and before I forget, the cutting boards and orders. So we got a lot of orders. So the first half of the orders are gone. And the next half are going out today at 3:30. Yep, 3:30. And then we'll have another batch go out. I'm thinking hopefully by Friday, I'll have another batch going out. And then I'll have them all out. But if you're interested in the acorn, I'm telling you, get it now, because come October 31st, that is it. I'm not gonna sell it anymore. I'm gonna retire it for the season, and it'll come back next year, or something more amazing will come back next year. You never know. I mean, you never know with me. Anyways, and I have so much planned for Christmas. Okay. See you tomorrow. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Remember, declare, 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 and I will catch up with you soon. Bye, guys.